参加者はそんなに少ないのですか？そんなに。
So much, like that, is an adverb that means so much or to that extent. It is used to express a degree or amount, often in relation to something surprising, excessive, or unexpected.
天気予報によると、明日は大雪だそうです。そうだ。
I heard that, it is said that, is a declarative expression used to convey information, convey hearsay, or express one's realization.
君はついさっき朝食を食べたばかりだ。たばかり。
Just did, something just happened, is a phrase that means just did or only just recently. It is used to indicate that a certain action was completed a short time ago.
もっと勉強したらどうですか？たらどう？
Why don't you? Is a phrase that is often used to make a suggestion or recommendation. It means, how about, or why not?
それが意味することを教えてあげますよ。てあげる。
To do something for someone is used to indicate that an action has been intentionally done and is currently in a resultant state. It often implies preparation or arrangement.
この世の中を生きていくのは楽な作業じゃない。ていく。
To go on, to start, is used to indicate the continuation or progression of an action into the future. It suggests that an action is ongoing and will continue.
あなたは昨晩素晴らしい夕食を作ってくれた。てくれる。
To do something for someone is used to express that someone does something for the speaker or on the speaker's behalf. It indicates a favor received.
何が起こっても頑張るんですよ。ても。
Even if, even though, is a conjunction used to express even if or no matter whether. It indicates a condition that, if fulfilled, doesn't affect the main statement.
市民たちは死に対する信頼を全く失ってしまった。てしまう。
To do something by accident, to finish completely, is used to indicate completion of an action, often with a nuance of regret or unintended consequences.
窓を開けると部屋にほこりが入る。と。
If, when, and is used to express a condition or situation under which a certain result or action will occur.